Hello guys, today's video review of the top 5 best under-desk bikes. There are many products available to choose from under-desk bike, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and purchased. After testing, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stamina 55-Minus 1602 In Motion Elliptical. Stamina's In Motion Elliptical is smooth and sturdy, with easily adjustable resistance. But the real highlight of this product is its compatibility with the Move Smart Audio Coaching app. The app offers an assembly guide video, personalized audio workouts, and integration with iHeartRadio. On the LCD monitor, you can easily switch between total strides, exercise time, and calories burned. However, our tester noticed that the display is quite dark, making it difficult to read. She did like that the pedals were wide and textured for an easy fit and secure grip while pedaling. The manufacturer states that you can also use this elliptical machine while standing upright. But our tester doesn't recommend this as she felt unstable and uncomfortable while using it this way. Overall, we think this product is easy to use, features compatibility with a handy app, and functions well as an under-desk elliptical. Number 2. Vaughan Folding Pedal Exerciser. If you're looking for a starter bike or simply don't want to spend a lot on an under-desk exerciser, Vaughan Medical's under-desk bike pedal exerciser is a great choice. Our tester appreciated the bike's lightweight design and foldable legs for easy portability. The setup was seamless, according to our tester, who noted that the bike came almost entirely assembled. However, it did take some time to position the bike correctly and comfortably for optimal use. And when the bike was positioned properly and the chair was scooted out, our tester still found it difficult to type on the computer and focus while pedaling on the bike. Number 3. QBI Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. After testing 29 under-desk bikes and ellipticals, QBI's Pro Under-Desk Elliptical Machine was an easy choice for our best overall pick. Our tester loved its smooth, silent stride and compatible app for live and on-demand workout classes. The machine was easy to set up, only taking our tester under 5 minutes to assemble. But it did take 4 to 6 hours to fully charge, a minor inconvenience for our tester. We like that the elliptical is smooth and silent, making it a great option for on-call or in-office users. The adjustable resistance, as well as workout classes, found on Cubic's Studio Plus app, offer a challenge for users of all levels. Through Bluetooth connectivity, you can sync this under-desk elliptical to your Fitbit smartwatch or Apple Health Kit app to set fitness goals and track progress. You can also do so on the QBI Studio Plus app. Number 4. Desk Cycle Under-Desk Cycle. Choosing a quiet under-desk bike is essential if you plan on using it during calls or in the office. To avoid unwanted distractions and keep you pedaling throughout the day, we recommend a quiet under-desk bike to all users. The Desk Cycle Under-Desk Bike is whispered quiet, super smooth, and reliably stable, according to our tester. It required some assembly but took our tester under 15 minutes to fully set up. She used the enclosed wrench to attach any necessary parts with ease and had no trouble following the detailed directions with the photo guides provided. Our tester appreciated that the LCD display can be removed from its home on the bike and placed onto your desk for easy stat tracking while working. We like that this bike lets you pedal distraction-free, but its design may be too tall for shorter desks. Our tester noted that, in order to pedal freely, she had to scoot her chair out so that her knees did not hit the desk. This felt less natural to our tester but did result in a straighter posture, which helped her fully use the bike while working. Number 5. Life Pro Flex Cycle Exercise Bike. For those interested in a more versatile under-desk exerciser, the Life Pro Flex Cycle Exercise Bike is a great option. It includes resistance bands and both arm and foot pedals, offering lower and upper body exercise options. Our tester rated this machine a 3 out of 5 for setup because what was listed as a 5-minute assembly ended up taking her a frustrating 45 minutes. But she did note that all of the parts were correctly labeled, the instructions were relatively clear, and the package included all of the necessary tools for assembly. Testing notes, I was pleasantly surprised by how well the bike worked. I tend to run cold, and after cycling for 20 minutes during a Zoom meeting, I had to take off the sweater I was wearing. It got my blood flowing. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, and check pricing on the product mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description.